Kakong Anjala rangat kanong yalam jong seng trei mons ngobhat ma urang li juki kala ujor persya katanat trekam jong sorkar jela Public Works Department PWD kaba shama shim khia ban pet benya ya ka jingshna ba jingte ya ka interstate bus terminal kaba hamau yong rem kaba ka sorkar kala penlut hakamang pisa kaba la konjo ka saupu praklur tengka Kakong Anjala kala ujor persya ya ka PWD ba yu kontraktor ubalashna bat te torti ya ka nika Isbt Sya chairman ka Lokayukta joka Meghalaya. Uslap ubalat hera palat tayo hakini kisngi ula pen isai baka jingte ya kani ka Isbt dakitu ki baka sorkar jela kala IT ki kam ki jambaro kala long ka torti ha ka baki kamera kila jaw bat jreng ha ki babon ki benta. Ya kani ka Isbt lawan pre do menteri ki kampoyen ka sorkar India hu Amit Shah ha unaitung jong usnam balala. La pentri kami gani jaka yang bosket brio nadu ka shitarik uya yong 8,000 kuar nadu ka shitarik uya yong baro ki bos ki bawan bat let cheki wei pat ki jela ki hapan penhyar bat kentiu ki nong let jinglet na kani ka Isbt namar amsha shu bandung shanong pa Shillong Kakong Anjala kala ujor Halor sauteri ki daw ka jingshna torti da ka PWD bat kontraktor ka jingbam kitkhya ka bor jong ka transport department ban pet benya ya ka jingshna ya ki yang ki sam ha kani ka jaka Kajing ya bam sap ka bajur kumba ka pau na kajing torti ya kajing shna ya ki yeng bat ki kamera bat kajing bam bet bam renti ha kajing pendap ya ki jing tray ha kani ka jaka yeng bos kumta Kakong Anjala kala kerpa dia ka office jong u Lokayukta ban toket ya baro ki kam torti bat kam bam sap ki bala pen isai da ulaba ha ki kisni
I think everybody, the public must have read in the newspapers about the shoddy construction of the Isbt. It was a project that was inaugurated in July 2021 and just 6 weeks ago became operational. And the past few days, with just a little bit of rain, we are not even in the middle of monsoons, this construction has been leaking. There have been major cracks. It's something that we, the public, cannot accept. Because it is your money and my money, people's money that has gone into the making of this Isbt, something that we require, we need. And if this shoddy construction is allowed to just go like that without holding accountable those people involved in this construction, from the PWD office and those officers that were supposed to supervise this, to the transport department, to the contractors or the companies that on this institution to ensure that they use those provisions where they can summon documents, summon people to ensure that corruption does not exist anymore in this state.